Hello everyone, welcome to another tech tutorial video on my channel Galaxy Station. Today's video is a very simple one, but it's an widespread issue. That's Windows update. Windows 10 constantly checking and installing update even though you want it or not, and surprisingly there is no option of turning it off in the settings menu or the Windows update menu. Let's check that first. I am now in Windows update option. You can pause the update for 7 days, or in the advanced option you can pause the update for up to 1 month, 1 month or 35 days, but there is no option to completely turn off the Windows update. In this very short video I am going to show you how to turn off the Windows update completely in your Windows 10. Let's head to search menu, write services. It's already here, services app, run as administrator. Service menu is now open. Scroll down a bit. There is Windows update. It's enabled. Its status is running. Double click it. Startup type is manual. Now click the stop button. Windows update is stopping, and disable it. Completely disable the startup of Windows update. Then again press stop, apply. Okay, you can see that Windows update is now disabled. To test that this tricks is working or not, I am going to restart my PC. To check Windows forcefully turn on the feature, I am going to restart my PC. It is restarting. Okay, the PC is now turned on. I am going to check Windows update first. Okay, even though it seems normal, but it can't check for new updates automatically. Let's be sure and go to the services, run as administrator. Scroll down to Windows update. Yes, Windows update. This is disabled. Okay, so this is the easiest method to completely turn off Windows update feature in your Windows 10. I hope this short video will help you a lot. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. Thank you.